Benefits of aloe vera.
Potential to fight breast cancer. Heartburn relief. Keeping produce fresh. An alternative to mouthwash. Lowering your blood sugar. A natural laxative.
Skin care.
1. Aloe vera for dry skin. Take some aloe vera, a pinch of turmeric, a teaspoon of honey, a teaspoon of milk and a few drops of rose water. Blend this mix till you get a paste. Apply it and leave in for about 20 minutes or so.
2. Aloe vera scrub. Grab half a cup of fresh aloe vera gel, a cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. The sugar will help exfoliate and scrub off dead skin. The aloe vera will deep clean the skin and the lemon will help fade out scars and tan. Stir the 3 ingredients together and use it to scrub both face and body. 3. Aloe vera for acne. Take some aloe vera gel, blended walnuts with a flour-like consistency and honey. Aloe vera's healing properties coupled with the antioxidants from honey will leave you with smooth and clear skin. 4. Aloe vera for sensitive skin. Grab some aloe vera gel, cucumber juice, yogurt and rose oil and blend them to a paste. Apply and leave for around 20 minutes, then rinse it off. How to drink aloe vera juice. The natural taste of aloe vera is so bitter that you wouldn't think of consuming it as is. Take the gel, dice it into small pieces and blend. Now mix a bit of this with some other fruit or vegetable juice that's preferably sweet. If you find it too bitter, then mix it up with honey and drink. You can also add some lemon to this mix. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe our channel.